Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this mathematics subject, we are going to learn about numbers. Spell the word numbers Numbers. Numbers. I'm going to teach you a chorus about numbers. 1, 2, 3, God loves me. 4, 5, glad to be alive. 6, 7, 8, God is great. 9, 10, sing it all again. Shall we sing it again? 1, 2, 3, God loves me. 4, 5, glad to be alive. 6, 7, 8, God is great. 9, 10, sing it all again. Do you know what does mean by glad? Glad means happy. Be happy that you're alive. Then here many are affected by COVID 19, but we are alive. So we have to be happy. So, shall we sing it again? 1, 2, 3, God loves me. 4, 5, glad to be alive. 6, 7, 8, God is great. 9, 10, sing it all again. Okay, why do we learn numbers? See, during our working days, as soon as you get up, you ask your mummy, what is the time? And mummy will see the clock and say the time. It is 8:25. There you can see the numbers in the clock. Next, if you go to class, yeah, miss will take attendance. Okay, and she'll count 1, 2, 3, how many boys and girls in the classroom. You can see the numbers written, number of boys, number of girls in the classroom. So if you are in third standard, miss will write the number of boys, number of girls in the corner. Okay, number of boys and number of girls. Okay, now in, for suppose 15 boys, she'll count and write 15 boys and 15 girls. So totally how much? 30. So total strength is 30. Now here also you can see numbers. Then if your mommy goes to supermarket, she'll select some packets of fruits, dry fruits, and there in the packet she'll check the weight, how much, 50 grams, and MRP means rate, okay, manufacture rate, how much, and which date is this packet is packed on. Like that she'll check the numbers in the packet. Here in this packet also, here is a net weight 1 kg, MRP rupees 110, and packed date to 2020, batch number they given 119 TF, like that, and here a barcode to check the product. So in this packet you can see many, here toll free number, phone number, and here license number, many numbers you can see in the packets. And next, if you go to market to buy toys, you will ask the shopkeeper, uncle, how much is this toys? And he'll say 50 rupees. So in the 50 rupees you can see the number. Here the number and the series given here, and here rupees 100, it is given rupees 100 and the series. Okay, now in this picture you can see herd of elephants. Here some elephants are with ivory. Ivory means the horns which the elephant has. So shall we count the elephants with ivory? 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and small young one calf. So 6. Shall we count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elephants are having their ivory, and the female elephants, they don't have the ivory. So in this picture, let us see the trees. How many trees are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 trees are there. Totally, we'll see how many elephants are in this picture. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So to count and to have a count, we use numbers. Now nowadays they are counting the coronavirus affected people. In India itself, it is above 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs of people affected by coronavirus. Now, in this tree, you can see the numbers. In second standard, you have learned 2-digit numbers. Here, you are going to count 5 by 5 to fill in the box, fill in the circle. So here in the middle 5, and you are going to count after that 5. Shall we count 5? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 10. What will come after 10? Shall we count? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what you should write here, there you should write 15. So 10 plus 5, 15. Next, after 15, well, shall we count? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here 20 comes. Next, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Shall I write here 25? Am I right? Yes, 25. After 25, count 5 again. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Here comes 30. After 30, count 5. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. What shall I write here? 35. Then count after 5. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Here comes 40. So you have learned like this counting numbers in second standard. And here's next. Here we have sequence of numbers. Here you have learned 1-digit number, the smallest 1-digit number, and here 9 is biggest 1-digit number. 1, from 1 to 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 is smallest 1-digit number and 9 is biggest 1-digit number. After 9, if you add 1, what will come here? 10. So 10 is smallest 2-digit number, and from 10 to till 99 you will get 2-digit numbers. If you add 1 with this, you will get 100. The smallest 3-digit number is 100, and from 100 to 999 you will get all 3-digit numbers. If you add 1 with this, you will get the next number 1000. From 1000 to 9999, you will get 4-digit numbers. Okay, so have you all understood this? Which is smallest 1-digit number? 1. And biggest 1-digit number is 9. And smallest 2-digit number is 10. And biggest 2-digit number is 99. And smallest 3-digit number is 100. And the biggest 3-digit number is 999. And smallest 4-digit number is 1000. And the biggest 4-digit number is 9999. Now we'll see the number formation. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all has single digit. It is 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers. And if you add with this 1, you will get 10. Okay, with this 9, let me rub all the other numbers. If you add 1 with the single number 9, you will get 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So it has 2 digits. So it only one number you can write in one box. Let me draw a box here. Here you can see only one number in one box. So this 10 takes another box. It is called tens place. This is ones place. So 9 ones plus 1, it is 10. So this 10, this 1 takes in the place of 10. Then from 10 to 99. After 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. 2-digit. So in this 2-digit number, if you add 1 with this, 9 plus 1 how much? 10. You'll write 0 here and 1 you can add here. 9 plus 1 again 10 here. So this one you can carry to here. So here 100. It become 99 plus 1, 100. So here this is ones place, here tens place, here it takes 100 place. So here let me teach you in abacus. Here there will be spikes with the beads in abacus. Okay, and here it is ones, tens, hundreds, and here there is no beads. There is no beads here, no beads. Here let me draw only 1. So what is the value of this number? 1. Here no number, no beads, so 0. Here 0. So how will you write this number? O-N-E, 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-T, 100. If I add one more beads here, so what will be the number? 2 here. This 1 become 2. So I'll write 200. T-W-O, 200. H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. If I add beads here in one's place, I'll get 1. So how will I write this? 201. 201. 1. If I add one beats in the tens place, let me add 3 beats. So what will be the numbers? Number 2, here 1, 2, 3. So tens place, what is the number? 3. So I'll write 30. This value is 1 and this value is 3 into 10, and here this value is 2 into 100. So here 1, here 30, and here 200. So what will be the answer? 1, here 3, so here 2. 231. How will I write the number names? 231. 2. TWO2. Most of you will make mistake in writing number names. TOW2 you will write. That is wrong spelling. TWO2. 100 spelling HUNDRED. 231. 30 spelling THIRTY. 30. Then 1 ONE. So like this you are going to build number in abacus. Next, let me show how many tens makes 100. How many tens makes 100? Okay, here are some shells of pista. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So each circle it has 10 shells. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 groups of shells are there. So 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. Here 110. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens makes 100. Numbers from 101 to 200 in this chart. If you have notebook, you can take your notebook and start writing along with Miss. Here 101, 102, 103. What number will come here? 103. Here 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. Next 111, 112. Okay, here when you write, you are adding in the ones place 1. After 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. This first 2 digits are not changing. Only you are writing, you are changing the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. Here you are changing only ones here. Here also you are not changing the numbers, first 2 numbers. 101, sorry, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Okay, here you are not changing the first 2 digit numbers. The last ones place only you are changing. So next here also, what will come here before this? 145. Before this 144. After this what will come? 146. Here, what will come after this? 175. What will come before this? 173. Next, after 197, 198, 199. After 199, you will get 200. So, like this, you are going to write up to 1000. Up to 1000. From 101. 101. 101 is 101. 102. 102. Some of you will write, if I ask you to write numbers, if I ask you to write number 101, some they make mistake. 100 they'll write, then they'll write 1. Is it right? No. This is 1001. So 100 means only 3. Only 3 numbers it should have. Then here this is wrong. What it should write? 101. This is correct. 101. 102. 103. Like this you should start writing and write the number names too. Let me show the number names. Here number names for 1 ONE1, 2 TWO2, 3 THREE3, 4 FOUR4, 5 FIVE5, 6 SIX6, 7 SEVEN7, 8 EIGHT8, 9 NINE9. Next, number names for 2 digits. 11 ELEVEN 11, 12 TWELVE 12, 13 THIRTEEN 13, 14 FOURTEEN 14, 15 FIFTEEN. For 15, some they'll make mistake. They'll write 15. Instead of 14, they'll write 15. 15, they'll write 15. This is wrong spelling for 15. 15, FIFTEEN. 15. Not 15. 15, FIFTEEN. 15. Next, 16. SIXTEEN. 16. 17. SEVENTEEN. 17. 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. 19. NINETEEN. 19. After 19, 20. TY. TWENTY. Not 20. 20. TWENTY. 20. Next, only we'll see the numbers for the ending, like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like ending numbers for of 2 digits. 10. First number of 2 digit is 10. TEN 10. 20. TWENTY 20. THIRTY 30. 40. FORTY 40. Some they'll write FOURTY for 40. The correct spelling is FORTY. They'll write FOURTY. This is wrong. Not 40. 40. FORTY 40. 50. FIFTY. Again, not 5T, 50. 5T wrong spelling. FIVETY they'll write, not 5T. 5 plus 0, 5T they'll write. No, this is wrong spelling. And you should write correct spelling for 50. FIFTY 50. 60. SIXTY 60. 70. SEVENTY 70. 80. EIGHTY 80. 90. NINETY 90. Next, for hundreds, we'll write 100. 100 spelling HUNDRED. 100. 100. 200. 300. 400. 500. Next, 600. 700. 800. 900. After 900, you'll write 999. After 999, okay, the number sequence from 901 to number 999. After 999 only you should write 1000. So 1000 spelling THOUSAND. 1000. Okay. Thank you all children. Practice this number names. Practice this number names in your note, and you will when you practice only you will get more experience to write the numbers. Thank you all. Do the homework. You are going to write from 101 to till 1000 in your notebook. Thank you all. See you in the next video.